Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a souffle Gordon Ramsay, easy method. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and place racks mid-level while you prepare ingredients. Start by warming milk and folding yolk mixture slowly, then whip 4 egg whites to glossy peaks with a pinch of salt. Gently fold whites into the base to preserve air, fill ramekins 3/4 full, and bake without opening the oven until risen and golden. Start by simmering milk gently to warm, not boil, and set it aside to steep flavor. Whisk egg yolks with a little flour and sugar until smooth, then temper with the warm milk to avoid scrambling. Whip 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt to soft peaks, then add sugar slowly to stabilize glossy peaks. Fold whites in 3 gentle additions, preserving as much air as possible for a tall, tender souffle. Transfer the batter into buttered and sugared ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full for a controlled rise. Place ramekins on a preheated tray and bake at 375 degrees F. Resist opening the oven for at least 20 minutes to prevent collapse. Watch for a golden top and steady set around the edges, while the center may wobble slightly. Serve straight away, since a souffle deflates quickly, and enjoy the cloud-like texture while warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.